Hi, it's Michelle. Today we are making flowers. Flowers are as easy to make craft that's perfect for a variety of holidays and occasions. The materials required are easy to find and can use supplies to help trim and pull out the tissues to make a whole bouquet of these beautiful flowers.
What you will need: 1 green pipe cleaner, 3 sheets of colored tissue paper, ruler, and a scissor. Take the tissue paper out of its package. Stack 3 sheets on top of one another, then line them up and cut them into 8 by 6 inch sheets. Make accordion folds. Keep folding and turning over the paper until you have an accordion-style narrow strip of tissue paper. Take your scissors and trim the ends of the stacked paper strips so that you have a rounded edge. Be sure to trim both ends of your folded tissue paper stack. To ensure the stem is centered, fold the tissue strip in half and place the green pipe cleaner at the fold. Loop the stem around the middle of the folded tissue paper strip. Twist the pipe cleaner onto itself to hold the tissue paper strip in place. Gently peel open the layers. Starting on one side, begin opening the tissue paper folds you made. Be sure to pull apart the folds evenly from both ends. Gently separate the tissue paper sheets to unfold the petals of your flower. It will quickly begin to look like a beautiful blossom.
Bye for now.